Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to create pages in multiple languages in HubSpot. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to HubSpot.com. Once you're on the page, you'll need to log into your HubSpot account using your credentials. This will take you to your main dashboard, where you can access all of HubSpot's content management features. After you've logged in, direct your attention to the left side of your screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. Look for the option labeled Content and click on it. This will expand a submenu showing you different content types you can manage. From here, you'll see options for both website pages and landing pages. Depending on what type of page you want to create multilingual versions of, you can choose either one. Both options work the same way when it comes to creating language variants. For this example, let's go ahead and click on landing pages. This will take you to a screen displaying all your existing landing pages. You'll see a list of pages you've already created, and this is where you'll be able to manage them and create language versions for international audiences. Now, find the specific landing page you want to create a language variant for. Once you've located it, hover your mouse over that page. You'll notice that when you do this, an Actions button appears. Click on Actions to open a drop-down menu with several options for managing your page. From this drop-down menu, click on Create Language Variant. This is the feature that allows you to duplicate your page content and adapt it for different languages, making your content accessible to a wider audience. After clicking Create Language Variant, a new window will pop up. In this window, you'll see a drop-down menu where you can select the language you want to create the variant in. Click on this drop-down to see all the available language options HubSpot supports. Browse through the list and choose the language that matches your target audience, whether that's Spanish, French, German, Japanese, or any other language your business needs. Once you've selected your desired language, click the Create button. HubSpot will then generate a duplicate of your page that you can customize with translated content while maintaining the same design and structure as your original page. If you need to reach audiences in more than one additional language, you can easily repeat this process. Just go back to your landing pages list, hover over the same page again, click Actions, and select Create Language Variant once more. Then choose a different language from the drop-down and click Create. You can do this as many times as needed to cover all the languages your business operates in, whether that's 2 languages or 10. And that's it. You've successfully created multilingual versions of your HubSpot page, making your content accessible to international audiences. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.